Welcome back guys to our first video. Today we're gonna cover some basics. We're gonna talk about one of the most important things, and that's brushing. Who would have thought that? One of the biggest steps that you can take to improve your brushing habits is making the transition to an electric toothbrush. Which one? Doesn't really matter. Studies show that electric toothbrushes do up to 20 times of a better job at brushing teeth than you could ever do at brushing manually. And that's coming from me as a dentist. I am talking about this stuff all day long, and there's no way that I can brush up to the same level as an electric toothbrush. Today we're going to talk a little bit about a Sonicare. Why? Because that's the one that I'm using and that's the one that I'm most familiar with. But at the end of the day, like I said, doesn't matter. Use what you're most comfortable with. Alright guys, here we're just looking at a regular old dental model, and what I want you to forget immediately is the scrubbing, okay? So this doesn't really do anything for your teeth except for damaging your gums, and so we're gonna stay away from that. If you've been doing this until now, it's been until now, and we're gonna change some things. What you do is take a systematic approach where we start on the top, left or right, doesn't really matter, and we're gonna let the toothbrush do all the work, okay? We're gonna just guide it. We're gonna start and we're gonna follow this horseshoe shape of the arch all the way to the other side. Okay, we're gonna switch over here, switch your handle, and we're gonna move the toothbrush slowly but surely to cover all the outside surfaces of the teeth. Now, what we're gonna do next is switch over to the inside and do the same thing going back, okay? So we're gonna move all the way till here. We've pretty much covered all the surfaces of all the teeth. Now keep in mind that from here to here on the outside it should take 30 seconds. Usually the toothbrush will give you a signal after 30 seconds, and that's the time to switch over to the inside. 30 seconds going back, okay? 30 seconds are much longer than you'd expect. And if you follow the rules, 30 seconds on the outside, 30 seconds on the inside equals up to 1 minute, top and bottom, you're brushing 2 minutes, and that's what you're supposed to. If you think about it, that's actually pretty simple. So if you follow this guide and the one for flossing or water picking, you're probably not going to spend a lot of time in the dental chair. Instead, we'll get to see each other for checkups, and that's it. Stay tuned for the next video, and until then, stay healthy.